Alright, this is semester exam review for algebraic reasoning. You'll notice the first half of this review is just nothing but reading graphs. Alright, a lot of this test is where is the x-intercept, where is the y-intercept, what is the domain, what's the range, where is it increasing, all this sort of stuff. So that's what the first half of this review is, just understanding where is everything. So here we go. X-intercept, y-intercept. Well, the y-intercept's really easy. It's right there at 4. So that's at 0, 4. The x-intercept is not quite so easy. It's in there somewhere. So stick it in your calculator, knock it out. So if y is 0, that's negative 4 times 16 divided by 3. 16 thirds is really what it is. Negative 16 thirds. So y is 16 thirds. That's what? 5.333333333333. So again, you can just stick it in your calculator. It's 5.3 repeated, comma 0. And that's what you get. All right. Feel free to stick this in your calculator and go to a 0. Put the equation in your calculator. Go to second. Go to calc. And if we want an x-intercept, that's a 0. Okay? There you go. The domain. Remember, this is a linear, so the domain is, and they want interval notation. So the domain goes from negative infinity to positive infinity, and the range also goes from negative infinity to positive infinity. You can just check your chart and go for that. And again, just to show you set builder, you're going to have to be able to recognize both. Set builder, that's x bar, x the set of all real numbers, and y is y bar, y is the set of all real numbers. There's your difference. Yeah. Alright, number 2, same idea, x-intercept, y-intercept. This one has 2 x-intercepts, one here and one here, and it's got one y-intercept right there, which we don't know what that is. So here we go. You can just, again, these are zeros. Alright, and when you do this is go to the calculate, hit value. And you want to know when x equals 0. Because when x equals 0, it'll spit out a y value. Okay, so I'm going to do that in my calculator real quick. Give me a pause. Okay, so right now I'm calculating the zeros. So if I do the left side, my x-intercepts are at 0, guess. No, it's not at 0, it's at negative 2.29, comma 0, and let's do the other one real fast. Second calculate 0. Let's do left bound is 5, right bound is 10, that'll get me in there. It's at 8.29, comma 0, that's that one. And then for the value, we'll go second calculate value and plug in a 0, because that's where that point is. So when x is 0, y is 5.4. Alright? Now domain for quadratic is still, they want interval notation. So that's negative infinity to positive infinity. The range, okay, the range for this guy, it goes from, let me erase all this. The range goes from negative infinity up to that point right there. And since it's obvious, you can use 8. If it's not obvious, remember you said second calculate max. If it was going this way, that would be a minimum, and that's just what you do. And my phone is ringing like crazy. So the range, negative infinity up to that y value of 8. Cool? And that's what you do.